everyone! Welcome to Anna's channel! Let's draw together!
Today, we're going to draw a beautiful mermaid sitting inside a giant seashell under the ocean. Are you ready? Let's draw! Get your paper ready, pick your favorite pencil, and let's start with a big smile. First, let's draw the eyes of our mermaid. Two big, round, sparkling eyes, just like shiny drops of ocean water. Draw one big circle for the left eye, then another for the right. Add a tiny highlight inside so her eyes look bright and alive. See? The moment the eyes appear, the drawing already feels full of life. If you like these eyes, raise your hand and say, "Wow!" Now let's draw her face. Make a gentle curved line, soft like the smile of a calm wave. Add a tiny nose and, of course, a sweet smile. Our mermaid is always cheerful, right? Next comes her hair. Let's make it long, flowing, and wavy like ribbons drifting underwater. Now, let's draw her crown. A small, lovely crown right on top of her head. Draw 3 tiny peaks and maybe a few round pearls inside. She's the princess of the ocean, so her crown should sparkle like bubbles in the sunlight. Start at the top of her head, then draw curvy lines falling to each side. Add a few flowing strands over her shoulders to make it soft and bouncy. Can you imagine her hair floating in the sea? If you have long hair, picture it waving like that. So fun, right? Then draw her neck and shoulders, nice and gentle. Now for her arms, slim and soft, resting gracefully on the seashell. It looks like she's leaning back, smiling at us. So cute. Next up, her upper body. Draw her top, 2 tiny seashells right across her chest. Add a few light curves so it looks smooth and pretty. Now for the best part, her mermaid tail. Start from her waist, curve the tail downward, and let it sweep gracefully like she's swimming. Finally, draw the tail fin, wide and flowing like a soft ocean fan. You can even add some tiny wave lines around it to make it look like she's swimming. Add fish scales, little half circles lined up neatly 1 row at a time. Take your time here, don't rush. Each scale makes her tail sparkle even more. Now, let's draw the seashell. Now for the bottom shell, the one she's sitting on. Draw a curved line facing upward like a comfy little sea cradle. Add a few folds and layers to make it thick and realistic. Start with the top shell, a big curved shape like a fan spreading open. Add curved lines from the middle to the edges to give it texture. It's like a royal throne under the sea. And there! We've got a lovely mermaid sitting right in her shimmering shell. Good job, everyone! We're done with the line drawing, so let's all say together, it's coloring time! Coloring plus fun facts about mermaids. While we color her hair, her shiny tail, and the glowing shell, I'll tell you 5 fun facts about mermaids. Fact 1. Mermaids appear in legends from many countries around the world. In ancient Greece, they were called sirens, half human, half fish, with voices that enchanted sailors. In Denmark, there's the famous story, The Little Mermaid, about a brave young mermaid who sacrificed everything for love. Each culture tells the story differently, but mermaids always symbolize kindness, freedom, and the beauty of dreams beneath the sea. Fact 2. Mermaids aren't just fairy tale characters, they've become symbols of caring for the ocean. Many environmental groups use mermaids to remind people to keep the sea clean. If a real mermaid existed, she'd probably say, "Hey, who just threw that plastic bag into my house?" So remember, loving mermaids means loving our oceans too. Fact 3. Some legends say mermaids' tails can glow under the moonlight. Their scales reflect the light like thousands of tiny diamonds. So if you ever see shimmering light under the water at night, who knows? Maybe a mermaid is swimming nearby. Can you imagine that? The quiet ocean, the moonlight, and a glowing mermaid smiling beneath the waves? Fact 4. Mermaids can talk to sea creatures. Dolphins, turtles, octopuses, even starfish. They're all her friends. Every morning she sings and all the sea animals gather round her. If she starts singing, the whole ocean glows with happiness. If you were a mermaid, which sea creature would be your best friend? Fact 5. Many sailors once believed mermaids were real. They said they saw figures with long hair and shiny tails rising from the waves. But scientists think they might have seen sea cows or manatees from far away. Those sightings inspired all the mermaid legends we know today. Whether real or not, mermaids remind us of magic, imagination, and endless wonder under the sea. And there we have it, a lovely mermaid sitting gracefully in her shimmering shell. Look at her, flowing hair, shining tail, and that beautiful shell. You did an amazing job. If you had fun, don't forget to hit like and join me again next time for another magical drawing. Bye-bye, little artists. Have a colorful day, just like our beautiful mermaid.